Yes, sir.
ओके, तो पहला पॉइंट क्या था? असेट साइड पर कैश एट बैंक छोड़कर सब ट्रांसफर करेंगे.
हाँ सर.
And on the liability side, we will transfer only sundry creditors and bills payable because Rashmi's loan, being a partner, will go to bank account and reserve fund and capitals will go to the partner's capital account. Right?
Yes, sir.
And the firm's assets realized as follows. You can see, except cash at bank, we have 6 assets.
हाँ
He
सर.
has given realized value of bills receivable, sundry debtors, machinery, goodwill. So totally how many assets? 4 assets he has given. Bills receivable, sundry debtors, machinery, okay, and the next is goodwill. So he has not mentioned anything about stock. Okay, so furniture he has mentioned that furniture was taken over by Geeta, but he has not mentioned anything. Oh, stock he has already given, sorry.
Stock
Also
10%
he has
less.
given. That means he has covered all the 6 assets, then no problem at all. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then dissolution expenses were 600 that we can do, and all the liabilities were discharged in full. Now, let us start with the solution. Okay, so let me go to the solution page. Okay, so here is the solution page. Yes. आप भी फॉर्मेट ड्रॉ कर लीजिए, अगर पहले ही ड्रॉ किए हैं तो बहुत अच्छा होगा. It is Rashmi first partner, right? And what is the other partner name?
Geeta, second Geeta है sir.
Okay, Rashmi and Geeta. Okay.
Geeta.
I think you can see the screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's begin. So first हमको सारे assets transfer करने हैं, तो पहले आएगा 2 bills receivable, 2 sundry debtors. Then 2 sundry debtors. Next, 2 stock, 2 machinery, 2 machinery, 2 furniture and 2 goodwill. टू गुडविल. आमिर आप थोड़ा अमाउंट बता देंगे सबका? Anyone who can give me the amounts? If not, Amira, Viva.
Yes, sir.
सब ಹೇಳಮ್ಮ. Bills receivable amount ಎಷ್ಟದ?
10,000.
Bills receivable is 10,000. Next ಎಷ್ಟದಮ್ಮ?
Yes. Next, sundry debtors 20,000.
20,000. ಹಾ.
Stock 15,000.
Stock 15,000. Next ಅಮ್ಮ?
Machinery 15,000.
Machinery 15,000. Next.
Furniture 10,000.
Furniture 10,000. Next.
Goodwill 30,000.
30.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we completed it. Okay. Next is, we need to transfer 2 liabilities. As I said, the first one is by sundry creditors. What is the value of the sundry creditor?
10,000.
10,000. And even bills payable is also 10,000.
Yes, sir.
So this is the first step what we will be doing. Okay, so are you clear with this? This is transfer of assets and transfer of liabilities. Now, assets realized So they should appear here as by bank account. Okay, so by bank account, we know the first thing, that is bills receivable 7,500. Next, sundry debtors 10%, sundry debtors and stock 10% लेस कहा गया है, तो पहले आएंगे sundry debtors. Remember, in brackets you need to clearly write 20,000 minus 10%. Okay, so it is 18,000. Next is stock. Stock also same, 15,000 minus 10%. समझ में आ रहा है बात?
Yes, sir.
It is 13,500. Next. What is next? They have said that machinery realized 5% more than the book value. So we'll write machinery. Okay. So previous value was 15,000 minus, sorry, plus 5%. If you type this in calculator, you will get 15,750. Just check, it will be 15,750.
Yes, sir.
Next. After this, I think there is one more asset still pending.
Goodwill, sir.
Goodwill, sir.
Goodwill. What they have said about goodwill?
Goodwill realized for 12,000.
Okay, 12,000. Done. Now, we need to take the sum of this in the outer column. Okay, so now equal to sum. Just check whether it is 66,750.
Yes, sir.
ये तो गलत नहीं करेगा फिर भी. By who has taken furniture? Geeta.
Yes, sir.
By Geeta capital account. For how much she has taken over? 8,000, right?
Yes, sir.
So in bracket we will write furniture
8,000.
taken over. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Done. So we are finished with the credit side. We can move to the debit side where they have said all the liabilities are paid in full. So I will write to bank account. In that, the first one is sundry creditors. I have written in short because I need space to write the amount. So I have written 10,000. Next is bills payable. It is also 10,000 because they have said it is paid in full. So that's why we should take the same amount. So amount is 20,000. Okay. And the last one is to bank account. This is for the realization expenses. Realization expenses. Done. What is the realization expenses amount, Vibha?
600, sir.
600. Okay, clear. We can see there is a loss of 25,850.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
बराबर है, क्योंकि कौन सा
हाँ.
साइड ज्यादा है देखिए, the debit side is
The
greater,
debit
hence
side.
hence there will be a loss. So we can write by partners capital account. Oh sorry, ये कुछ लिखने में प्रॉब्लम हो गया. Capital account. And the amount is 25,850. I will highlight this because this is the main part of the problem. Now, so if you divide between Rashmi and Geeta, what is the ratio?
3:2, sir.
Yes.
3:2, sir.
So 3 by
3
5.
by 5, 2 by 5.
3 by 5,
Geeta.
2 by 5.
25,850 into 2 by 5. Okay, can you tell me how much it will be? मैं ही calculate कर लेता हूँ. देखिए 25,850 into 2 by 3. 17,233 होता है क्या? सॉरी 3 by 5 है ना? 15,510
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
into 2 by 5. 10,340.
40. हाँ sir, correct.
Yes, sir.
बराबर है?
Yes, sir.
Now let's finish. Now have you understood this?
Yes, sir.
Pakka?
Yes, sir.
हाँ sir.
Now let's go to the partners capital account and write by balance brought down, and the capital is 30,000, 40,000 if I'm not wrong. 30,000,
Yes, sir.
40,000. The next is buy reserves,
Fund.
and the ratio is 3:2. Sorry, 3:2 Alrama.
हाँ sir. 3.
Hari, sir.
It will be 6,000 and 4,000. Then here 2 realization account. It is 15,510 कुछ था ना वो,
हाँ
Yes,
sir.
sir.
15.
और एक 10,340.
350. Yes, sir.
340.
हाँ 10,340. Next और एक आता है that is 2 realization account. No sorry, by हाँ 2 realization account क्योंकि asset taken over है. Geeta has taken over I think,
Yes, sir.
and the value is 8,000.
1000.
Yes, sir.
And apart from this I think nothing is there.
No, sir.
Now last is 2 bank account, because this is the ultimate amount which need to be paid to the partners. So in brackets I write balancing figure. 2490, 25,660. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
I have to highlight this amount. Because this is what we have ascertained. Finished? Now, the last one, that is bank account.
Bank account.
First, to balance brought down. What is the bank account which is given in the balance sheet? Anybody balance sheet में आप देखिए word balance sheet में कितना amount दिया गया है?
5,000.
5,000, sir.
It is 5,000. Okay. Next is to realization account. And the amount is कितना 66,000 कुछ था दे देखिए
5,000.
66,750.
66,750.
Right.
Yeah.
Next is
April.
ये किसका है देखिए पीछे बात मत करने के लिए बोलिए. By realization account, total was 20,000 I think. वो liabilities paid है देखिए. Then by realization account expenses कितना था? 600. Then by Rashmi's loan account, because the loan has to be paid here, and the Rashmi's loan was how much? 5,000. And last, by Rashmi first. Rashmi's capital account, and by Geeta's capital account. And the amount is 2490, 25,660. Yes, we have even the bank account tallied. बराबर है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hope you have understood.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you have any doubt, you can ask. आपको कुछ भी डाउट हो आप पूछ सकते हैं. Did you finish noting down?
Yes, sir.
ಓಕೆ
Sir.
ಸೊ ವಿಭಾ ನೀವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಮ್ಮ 16 and 17 ಯಾವ್ದು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ
Sir,
Illu sir 21st sir.
ಅದು 21st ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಕೇಳಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ ಅದು ಬಹಳ ಈಸಿ ಅದ ಪೇಪರ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಅದ್ರಾಗ ಬರೇ ಅದು ಕಮಿಷನ್ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತದ ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ
ಹಾ ರೀ ಸರ್.
ಅದು ಬಹಳ ಈಸಿ ಅದ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಸೆಟ್ ರಿಯಲೈಸ್ 3,05,000 ಏನೋ ಬರ್ತದ ರೈಟ್ ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ 6% ಏನೋ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದದ ಅಷ್ಟೇ
ಹಾ ರೀ ಸರ್.
नेक्स्ट हेड्री
सर मुझे एक डाउट था सर.
हाँ बोलो बोलो बोलो
सर गुडविल और रियलाइज्ड मतलब जितना है उतना ही रखना सर.
रियलाइज्ड बोले तो अभी जैसा हमने लिया वैसा ले लेना आप
हाँ ठीक है सर. डायरेक्टली जितना वो अमाउंट ये सर रहते ना सर बुक वैल्यू में अलग है ना सर तो मेरे को कंफ्यूज हो रहा.
क्या
वो सर जो ओल्ड बैलेंस शीट में गुडविल 30,000 है सर.
हाँ वो जितना
और हमारे को
रियलाइज हो
adjustment-
उतना ले लेना
हाँ ठीक है सर.
ओके हाँ अब कौन सा सॉल्व करेंगे बोलिए
मुझे 7th मंथ एक ही डाउट था सर वो डाउट क्लियर हो गया.
ओके हाँ अब कोई और कौन सा तो प्रॉब्लम बोलना चाहता है सॉल्व करने के लिए तो बताइए वही प्रॉब्लम हम स्टार्ट करेंगे you can raise your hands if you want me to solve any particular problem. Okay, Anjali, Praveen, Praveen. Hello, Praveen.
Sir, 19th one.
You want me to solve problem number 19? Okay.
Yes, sir. Ganga and Amuna.
Kavya, you have any particular problem to solve?
Sir, I have doubt, sir.
Yes, bolo Kavya.
Sir, in bank account, sir, previous problem, sir. Bank account, sir, liabilities paid, sir. How it is come, sir?
In the last, because there you have written to bank account. When you post that in the bank account, it will be by realization. See, one thing what you need to remember is bank account is the summary of all receipts and payments you make. Okay. So whatever receipts you have that you put on the debit side and whatever payments you make that you put it on the credit side. So whenever you make payment to the liabilities, that certainly it has to appear on the payment side. Okay. Are you clear with your doubt? Okay. Praveen, ಯಾವ್ದು ಹೇಳಿದ್ಯಪ್ಪ ನೀ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್
19, sir.
19 ಅಲ್ಲ ಪೆ ಓಕೆ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 19 ಇದನ್ನು ಡೌಟ್ ಅಪ್ಪಿ ಕೇಳೋದು ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ತಗೋ ಹೆಂಗೂ ನಾವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೇಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಸೊ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಓಕೆ
ಆಯ್ತು.
ಅಂಡ್ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಇವನ್ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನಾಗೂ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳೋ ಡೌಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಪ್ ಟು
ಹಾ ರೀ sir,
17 ಏನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅವ ಅವೇ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರ ಯೂಶುವಲಿ
ಹಾ
ಈಗ ಯಾವ್ದು ಹೇಳಿದೀನಿ 17 19 ಅಲ್ಲ ಓ ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲ
ಹಾ,
ಟೇಕನ್
it's
ಓವರ್ ಬೈ
19.
ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅದ ಇದು ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ
ಹಾ ರೀ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ ನೋಡಿ ಗಂಗಾ ಯಮುನಾ ಆರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಇದು ನಡು ಕಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಟುಮಾರೋ.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
Ganga Yamuna are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses equally. They agreed to dissolve the firm on 31/3. Okay. So all the assets are given except cash at bank. Ella transfer ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Bills receivable, stock,
Yes, sir.
debtor, building, motor car ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
Creditor and bills payable realization account ಗೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ and reserve fund capitals ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
Okay. Next.
ಹಾ
Stock 30,400 ಅದ. Bills receivable ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೋಟಲ್ 6 ಅಸೆಟ್ ಅವಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್ ಎಸ್ ಸರ್
ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟನ್ರಿ, ಬಿಲ್ಸ್ ರಿಸೀವಬಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನ, ಫರ್ನಿಚರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನ, ಡೆಟಾರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನ.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್
ಅಂಡ್ ಇದು ಎಡಿಷನಲ್ ಅದ ಯಾವ್ದಂದ್ರೆ 2000 ರಿಕವರ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಡೆಟ್ಸ್ ಅದಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನು
Bad debts.
ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಡೆಟ್ಸ್ ರಿಕವರ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಸಪರೇಟ್ಲಿ ತಗೋಬಹುದು, ಅಥವಾ ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರು ಡೆಟಾರ್ಸ್ ನಾಗ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿನೂ ತಗೋತಾರ.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್
ಅಂಡ್ ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದು ಇನ್ನ 2 ಅಸೆಟ್ ಅವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನ. ಗಂಗಾ ಟುಕ್ ಓವರ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಯಮುನಾ ಟುಕ್ ಓವರ್ ಮೋಟರ್ ಕಾರ್.
ಮೋಟಾರ್ ಕಾರ್
And all the liabilities were paid in full and realization expenses amounted to rupees 5,000. Okay, let's start madonri.
ಎಸ್
Okay. Okay, so let's begin. First, 2 bills receivable, 2 stock, 2 debtor. 2 stock, 2 debtors. Next, 2 building, 2 motor car, 2 furniture. अभी अमाउंट है ते वसूलू.
ಬಿಲ್ಸ್ ರಿಸೀವೇಬಲ್ 20,000
हाँ,
ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ 30,000
ओके.
ಡೆಟಾರ್ 40,000
40.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್
हाँ,
ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್ 50,000
50,000. ओके.
ಮೋಟಾರ್ ಕಾರ್ 20,000 ಫರ್ನಿಚರ್ 40,000
फर्नीचर 40,000. Done.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್ ಎಸ್ ಸರ್
Next, buy creditors. ಎಷ್ಟದ ನೋಡಪ್ಪಿ ಅದು?
50,000 ಸರ್
50,000. And buy bills payable.
30,000
30,000. Clear, right?
ಎಸ್
Now,
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್
ಈಗ ರಿಯಲೈಸ್ಡ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬೈ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅದೇನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಇನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅದಪ್ಪಿ?
ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್
ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅದ. ಹಾ, ಬೈ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್
First, stock 30,400.
400
Then
ಬಿಲ್ಸ್ ರಿಸೀವೇಬಲ್
bills receivable.
19,000
Okay, wait a bit. Bills receivable
19,000
19,000. Next,
ಫರ್ನಿಚರ್ ಸರ್
furniture
33,000
33,000. Next,
ಡೆಟಾರ್ಸ್ 42,600
42,600. Next,
ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಡೆಟ್ಸ್
ಹಾ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕಪ್ಪಿ? ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಡೆಟ್ಸ್ ರಿಕವರ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬಹುದು, ಆರ್ ಡೆಟರ್ ನಾಗ ಆಡ್ ನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು.
ಹಾಂ ರೀ ಸರ್
2,000 ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್
ಅದು ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತದ.
ಹಾಂ ರೀ ಸರ್
ಚಲೋ, ಇದ್ರ ಟೋಟಲ್
ಆಯ್ತು.
ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಸಮ್
ಹಾಂ ರೀ ಸರ್
just check, it is 1,27,000.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್
Okay. Next, 2 assets taken over by partner ಅವ.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್
First,
ಗಂಗಾಸ್
by Ganga capital account.
ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್
ಹಾ, ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ನಾಗ ಏನ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕ್ರಿ? Buildings
Buildings.
taken over.
ಟೇಕನ್ ಓವರ್ 60,000
The amount is 60,000.
60,000
Okay.
ಸರ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯಮುನಾಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್
ಹಾ,
ಬೈ ಯಮುನಾಸ್
by Yamuna's capital account.
ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಮೋಟಾರ್ ಕಾರ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಓವರ್
Motor car
26,600
taken over. Correct?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್
So what is the amount?
26,600
26,600.
26,600
Correct?
600
Next, to
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್
bank account. All the liabilities are paid in full ಅಂತದಲ್ಲ? creditors.
Yes, sir.
First it
Creditors,
is 50,000. Then bills payable. It is
Bills
30,000,
payable, 30,000.
right?
Yes, sir.
Next,
Yes, sir.
the total is 80,000. This is liabilities paid.
Yes.
And dissolution expenses yesterday pay 5,000. Again, that also will be to
5,000, sir.
bank account. In bracket, I will write
Yes, sir.
realization expenses.
Expenses.
Amount
So 5,000.
5,000.
5,000.
Okay. So now we are getting 8,600 as difference. Huh?
Yes, sir.
They have given 6,600. Now class nang ಮಾಡಿಸಿದಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದದ ನೋಡಪ್ಪಿ ಅದು? Just check.
ಸರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನಾಗ ಅದು ಮಾಡ್ಸಿಲ್ರಿ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಿ ಸರ್.
ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬಿ ಮಾಡ್ಸಿರ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಹಿಂಗ್ ಟಫ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಯೂಶುವಲಿ. Anyone who has noted down this or
ಸರ್ ಅದು ಬುಕ್ ಎಲ್ಲದ ಸರ್.
anyone who has solution for this? Vibha has. Vibha, do you have solution? Harsha has. Okay. Harsha? Harsha, do you have solution of this?
सर क्लास में भी 8,600 ही आया था.
हाँ 600 आया था ना. Yes. So, oh, बराबर. हाँ. It is 8,600 because we have done everything right. कुछ गलत नहीं है इसमें. So